guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first video you're watching of mine, my name is Terryn, aka Glamazon with 3 Z's. And today I am attempting to declutter my closet. And you know what, like, I've been meaning to do it for a while. Like, every now and then I'll, like, you know, take like 1 or 2 pieces out and put it in a little donation pile. But like it's hard. Like, I just love clothes and it's hard for me to part with some of them. I know, but I'm just with this whole, I started doing a little bit of spring cleaning, and I'm just like, okay, you know what, Terryn, you need to buckle down. Like, the key word is discipline. You need to buckle down and clean the shit you don't need out your closet. Like, for real, just like get rid of it. Like, and there's so many things in here that I still wear and that I love. And then there's stuff in here I haven't worn like in over a year, and I'm like, but I want to keep it. And it's like really not even that important. But I'm just like, I need to declutter my life right now. And the only part that I feel like I have control of right now is my closet. Like, you know, in order to be able to think with clarity, think clear, it's good to declutter your space, declutter your environment, and that starts at home. So that's where I'm starting, because that seems like to be the only thing I really got control over now. And I'm not saying I don't have control of my other life, but you know how shit goes. Life is life. Life is life. You know, just people, men, dating, like, it's just a lot. So I'm gonna focus on what I can focus on for right now. And you know what? I'm actually thinking, looking at this right now, I'm thinking I might break this up into like a few videos, like part 1, 2, but I'm gonna start with part 1 to see if y'all, you know, if y'all feeling it or not. So I'm part 1, I'm actually thinking I might just do this box. It's mostly tops in here anyway. Maybe I'll just do like tops for one video, maybe the next video will be bottoms, skirts, shorts, and the next one will be like just shoes, you know. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But for now, I think I'm probably just, because if I did every single piece in this closet, this would be a long ass video. Like, even if I just did like 75% of this closet, I'll probably try on some pieces I probably won't. Some pieces I'll probably already know, like, hey, I don't really like this, I'm gonna just get rid of it. I'm gonna put it in the maybe pile, or the donation pile. Y'all see I'm a little hungry. But yeah, I'll do that. A little bit of trying it on, a little bit of not, a little bit of probably asking you guys what you think about it. And then you guys can definitely comment below if you what you think, if you think I should keep it, think I should sell it, donate it, whatever. And also, you know what, I actually have a Poshmark too, which I'll link below. There's a lot of things on there that I actually have from like this other mini closet that's like out in the garage. Plus it has stuff in there that I just don't have room in here for. I know, it's so bad. But yeah, I mean, if y'all are even interested in anything I put up, anything I'm trying on or whatever, let me know and I'll put on my Poshmark. And trust me, like, my clothes are affordable prices. If y'all are really interested in something that I actually try on or show here on camera, I'll put it on my Poshmark, for real. Because like I said, I'm trying to declutter. I really do not need it. Also got my line. I'm gonna need it. Oh, and y'all like my fit, y'all? My little workout fit. And then I got my Uggs to match. This is what buying a workout fit just to wear around the house to look cute it looks like. But let's get into it. Plus, it's a gloomy day outside, and I'm just like, yeah, now's the best time to probably do this. Alright, this is gonna be a little difficult for me, so I'm gonna need y'all to hold me accountable, okay? Let's do this. Okay, so actually, first thing I pulled out of this bin is the DIY shirt I made, which I'm definitely keeping. That's okay. And this is just a whole bunch of random stuff that's in a bin. It's not even like, most of it's shirts, but it's like a mix of dresses and stuff I don't really wear. That's why I put it up so high. I'm like, whatever, you know, that's why it's not in the main chamber. But anyway, okay, and I have this weird thing. I'm like the return queen, and so I sometimes keep tags on stuff, but I swear I've had this for like I've had this top for like at least 3 years, and I don't know why I still got the tag on it. I think because I was thinking I might want to sell it, but I don't know. I've only worn it once, and it actually has a matching bottom with it, and I got it from Marshalls, but it's super cute. It has matching bottoms with it too. So I think I'm gonna keep this just because it's a matching set, and I love matching sets, and those are hard for me to find. Oh, and I just found this Jasmine Sullivan shirt. I actually was supposed to wear this to a concert, but she ended up canceling because she got COVID. But I ended up being able to see her later. But anyway, I'm gonna keep this. I got this from Etsy, I think. I actually have two Jasmine Sullivan t-shirts. I got that one from Etsy, and then I also got another one that I actually made through Canva. Did y'all know y'all can make t-shirts on Canva? I did not know that. Shit was only $20, free shipping. Yes. And I got this white shirt. I think I'm gonna keep this though. I think I should have at least one white shirt. Can't keep it clean, but I should have at least one. The top, I've had this forever. It's just the basic crop hoodie saying East West, like, you know, like full workout or just like, you know, chilling around the house. What y'all think? I don't know. I don't know. And I know I'm weird, y'all. Sometimes I keep stuff in the bag. I don't know. Just because it's easy. Sometimes it's easy for me to distinguish. I don't know. This one, I actually just wore this for an outfit. I just shot an outfit in this one actually recently, so I'm gonna keep this. This is Fashion Nova and it's off the shoulder. And it's so Cinco de Mayo too. What y'all doing with Cinco de Mayo? What y'all doing? And this is cute. This is like the only yellow top I have, so I think I'm gonna keep it. It's a cute like little yellow crop top. I remember I wore this in Tulum. This was too much. This was too much material for Tulum. Anyway, I think this is cute. It's like a velvety vibe. It gives me Christmas vibes, and it's nice and soft. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. Yeah. All right. This is from Fashion Nova, and it's cute. And what I love is the sleeves are long enough for me. I'm really big on that because of my height. It's hard to find things that are long enough. But yeah, I know I kept the tag on it too. This is cute. I think I shot an outfit in this recently. I think this is a keeper. And this one, this is cute. I think I only wore this once, and I think I'm gonna keep it. Especially since summer's coming up. Yeah, this is cute. A little pineapple vibe with the tie in the front. And this is some old wrinkly ass button up shirt. Yeah, you know, I'm donating that. No. Oh my gosh, y'all, and I found this old ass shirt. I think I got this from like Tilly's. If y'all heard of Tilly's, they have like, I don't know, alternative stuff. It's kind of like Hot Topic, kind of skaterish, but they still got dope stuff. This was a shirt I actually ended up cutting up and like doing this on the back. It was a regular like short sleeve t-shirt. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I still have this. Maybe. Anyway. Okay, so this one, this is a cute top, a cute crop top. This one's actually, this is Topshop. And it's just like a leopard print, semi almost crop top. Which, I don't know. I'm not really in love with it anymore. I don't know. I think I'm gonna put this one on. I think I might get rid of this one. If y'all like it, let me know. There we go. Okay, this one's cute. This is from Shein. It has like some extra material on the side. I think I wore this for an Instagram photo. But yeah, I think I might keep this. It's about to be tall girl summer anyway. Ooh, you know what? Oh my gosh, I'm telling y'all need to hold me accountable. I keep trying on all this stuff and I'm like, I want to keep it. Look at these sleeves. Look at this. Like, how can I say no to this? Look at this. I think this is Fashion Nova, and I think it came as a set with some pants, with some leggings or something. Some stacked leggings. Only thing I don't like is, like, up here. Because, see, this raises up, so I can't even really do anything. I just gotta say posted and secure. Oh god, I need y'all to help me. Like, I don't know. This is cute though. Oh, this is cute. I'm keeping this. Okay, yeah, this is kind of cute. It's like a semicon mock neck bodysuit, obviously, because it snaps at the bottom. It snaps at the bottom. But wait, there's more. A little backless action there. I do notice that the sleeves are super short too. I don't know, but that back though. Let me know what you think. And here's another bodysuit. This one's off the shoulder. This is Boohoo. Off the shoulder. Sleeves are long enough. And yeah, it's another bodysuit. I don't know. I feel like I want to keep it, but I mean, part of me is kind of like, too, it's about to be summer, so I'm thinking summer. I'm not even thinking ahead to like winter. But I don't know. As you can see, I kind of had a black bodysuit phase. But anyway, they all look kind of different. The off the shoulder, the mock neck, and now the little, what is the sweetheart neckline thing. So yeah, this is also a bodysuit too. And this is cute. This is ASOS. But you know what? I like it. But the thing about it is, it got these like, y'all know, the dried up deodorant stains. So I'm like, I feel like I have to keep it. Or just gotta throw it away, because I don't want people, yeah, I don't want to donate that. All right, y'all, so I actually went in the chamber and took some stuff out. This bodysuit, like I said, I went through the bodysuit phase. I mean, I still love bodysuits, but anyway, this one is actually from Topshop. This is actually a size 8, maybe a size 4. I was doing too much when I bought this one. I just thought it was so cute, and it was the only size they had left. The sleeves were long enough, and I was just like, I'm gonna put my eyes in it. But, you know, it's okay. It's cute. What y'all think? This is another bodysuit. Got from Nordstrom Rack, and it has like the choker feature here. So got the tag on. I've never worn it. And then you can fasten this in the back right here to secure the choker. But I mean, I think I might get rid of this. Let me know what y'all think. This shirt is from Boohoo. And it's like, has like this slit right here. And so in the back, you know, your butt's all covered up, but in the front it's like, what pound, what jam? Let me, y'all can see it, but yeah, it's pretty long. It like goes down to like my calves here. So yeah. And I already have another shirt similar to it, except instead of it cascading out this way, it does it on the side. I think I like the other one better. So I think I might get rid of this one. Plus it's still got a tag on it. I've never worn it. So, and this is just a pretty basic off the shoulder polyester, like really light, airy off the shoulder black top. You know, you can tie it up, you can tuck it in with some jeans or shorts, perfect for summer. And I just always kept it because it's basic, it's plain, I could dress it up. So I think I might keep it. And I have this top here, which has also the choker effect too. Just a plain shirt. It's cute. It's cute. I'm not really completely in love with it anymore. And I only wore it once, so. This one here, and I'm not trying to choose like long sleeve. It's just like a mix of it. It's just like stuff that I know for sure I'm okay with parting with. Like, I'm not completely still in love with it anymore, if that makes sense. So this is cute. Sleeves are long enough, but I mean, I'm willing to part with it. I've only worn it once, and that was years ago. What y'all think? Alright, y'all, this one, I actually really like this top, and believe it or not, I've never worn this top. I want to say I've had this top since probably 2014. 14, 15, and I've always liked it. It's just, I don't know, I just never could really find anything to wear with it. It's a size medium. It's super cute. I want to say my mom got it for me. But I like it. I just never really found anything to wear with it. Not that I didn't try, I just didn't. So, you know what y'all think. Still got the tag too. Alright y'all, I didn't really want to do too many, so that was just only a few of the items that I know that I'm either kind of questioning, like I kind of want to keep but I don't want to keep. But like I said, I need y'all to hold me accountable and let me know if I should keep it or get rid of it, because I'm telling you, y'all, this is a mess. So, but yeah, if you guys like this video, I definitely will do another one, because there's a whole lot more that needs to be gone through. But yeah, if you like any of the items that I showed, any of the items that I said that I was gonna keep, but just I feel like was like 80% of them, let me know. And I can possibly put them on my Poshmark, which I'll link below. And thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like this one, hopefully you'll do part 2. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment, and you can follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Glamazon with 3 Z's. And I will see you next time. Bye.